Yungbiribu Kwai Pumnamupu, Ikumnano Kurumzari, Agiming Tenzing Pukrumbam. You're watching Impact TV presents Brainwave Quiz Season 2, sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kaitel Takalambam Konjin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Hyangthang, City Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials, Konong Mamang. Ngasi pangthok liba quiz asina episode 4 ni lairiba team A, B amasung C asina pool D gi team sing ni. So we have competed almost all the schools of Manipur. Adudagi akoina 27 teams khangatuna 27 teams akoina team ahum khaidoktuna pool amamam semaga aduma compete tawjarakpa quiz ni. So team A, B and C. Lairiba team A, B and C pool D gi team A dana lairiba asina KM Blooming Khangabok, team B dana Sacred Heart School Yaripok, and team C dana Al Idin School Haibung Makong. So before we begin, akoigi quiz asida punna round manga laigani. The first round is general awareness round, second round is current affairs and IT, third round is audio and visual round, fourth round is buzzer round, and mixed bag round. Ahanba round asi haujingaida akoigi lairiba team A, B amasung C dagi isagi ming laifam amadi standard akoi yengriba Impact TV gi viewers kudimakta introduce amamamdang tawbiramzi team A dagi haujage.
I am Poring Ambit Hokchom from Clem Blooming Higher Secondary School, and I am studying in class 9.
I am Michael of class 10 and I am a representative of Clem Blooming Higher Secondary School.
Okay. Team B.
I am Sonia Yumdembam. I am in 9th standard and I am representing Sacred Heart School Yaripok.
I am Umolia Loitombam. I am in 8th standard. I am representing Sacred Heart School.
Okay.
I am Arif from Bengal. I am 10th standard.
I'm Wazdin of Aladdin English School. I'm studying in standard 10.
10 standard. Okay. Team A, B, amsung C. Round C. Punna. Mangani. Hauna ba tawrasira. Yare ko. So don't be nervous. Relax. Aduga isana khangba question singdo. Munna khallaga. Am pasana chumna khumna ba tawrasi ko. Aduna we'll begin with the first round, that is the general awareness round. Aina piriba instruction asi yam munna taraga adugi matung ina answer khumsi. General awareness round asi akoi account opening round hainu su kawi. Every team question amamam pigani. Question amamam asida ahanba khumba ngamba taragadi akoina 10 points reward tawani aduga karingumba ahanba khumbada lanba taragasu will give you a second chance. Adugi second chance aduda karigumba chumna khumapa taragana you'll get a bonus point of 5. Question khudimak 10 seconds manungda khumgadabani after I read out ko aina pathoba matungda aduga you'll get 4 options from each question. Question khudimaki option mari laigani adu option dudagi amam khangadabani, and there will be no pass on questions. Yani ko ready? So we have the first 5 questions of round 1 on the screen. We'll start with team A. Team A dagi haujage 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please choose your question.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. So let's see what is the question. The total time in completing one revolution by the Halley's comet is option A 74 years, option B 75 years, option C 76 years, and option D 77 years. Your countdown will start now.
D. 77 years.
D 77 years is incorrect. So you'll have one more chance. Chance amasulay ko. Then you have 3 more options. Choose your answer.
Option C.
Option C, which is 76 years and is correct. So congratulations team A. Now we'll move on to team B. Team B da mulak chage. Team B gi lemhoriba questions 1, 2, 4 and 5. Please choose your question.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Let's check the question. Which is the first metal used by man? Option A iron, B copper, C silver, and D gold. Your countdown starts now.
Option number B.
Option number B, which is copper, and is found correct. So congratulations team B. Ahan wagi chance to the adumak yam chumna khumbirei. Now the next final question of round 1 goes to team C. Team C 1, 4 and 5 tagi amakan.
4.
4. Team C question. What is the boundary line between India and Pakistan called? Option A is McMahon line, B is Mannerheim line, C is Durand line, and D is Radcliffe line. Your countdown will start now.
C. Durand line.
C. Durand line is not correct. You have one more chance. The countdown will start now. Option ahum lady.
B.
B, which is Mannerheim line, is also incorrect. The correct answer is option D, that is the Radcliffe line. Ran of Kutch, Gujarat tagina Jammu phau chatpa adugumba ko boundary aduni Radcliffe line. So that was all for the first round. First round sigi tang sida team sida loire. Next round we'll start with current affairs and IT round. Current affairs and IT round asidadi round 1 ga akoigi general awareness round ga chap manana question amamam team kudimakta chance amamam pigini, but you'll have no options. So the option yauroi aduga each team have to answer their questions within one chance amada, and if you are not able to answer the correct answer, then the question will be passed on to the next team. Team mathang giduna kariguma chumna khumakpa taragadi, you'll get a bonus point of 5 points. Okay, are we clear? Yani go. So current affairs and IT round, we have 5 options: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll start with team B. Team B dagi haujage. Question number choose to view.
Question number 5.
Question number 5. Your question is: Optimus is the prototype humanoid robot launched by which company? Countdown will start now. Karama company na humanoid robot Optimus haibasi launched tawuno. Okay, time is up. The question will pass on to team C. For the same question, your countdown starts now.
Pass.
Pass. The question is passed on to team A. Team A, Optimus is the prototype humanoid robot launched by which company?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Team ahum magna question asi khangden lauraga, the answer is Tesla. Tesla haibe ko gi chobo company sina humanoid robot first Optimus ko. It can walk like human, wave like human haraga. Adumak yam chobo news amo oiki. Now we have four more options: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Team C.
2.
2. Okay. Your question is: which team has won the 75th Santosh Trophy National Tournament for the 7th time at the Payanath Stadium? Countdown
Kerala.
starts now. Okay, Kerala. Kerala is the correct answer. So congratulations, team C. Yam chumna kumbirakre. Option ahum lemhori 1, 3 and 4. Team A da lakchage your direct question.
1.
1. The question is: which country is the first country in the world to control desert locust using drones? The countdown will start now.
USA.
USA is not the correct answer, so we'll pass the question to team B. Which country is the first country in the world to control desert locusts using drones?
South Africa.
South Africa. South Africa is also incorrect. Team C.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, which is also incorrect. Is it actually India? India was the first country in the world to control desert ka. Okay, Haryana ga UP da adumaki locust ki problem la matamda using drones they control the locust. Now, anyway, so that was all for second round, that is the IT round, current affairs and IT round. After the second round gi matungda akoi gi score se punna yengminasi. Score se am nakna na satli. Team B amasung C 10 points phangduna chap manana satminari, and in the second position haibitare, third position team A with 5 points. We have more rounds: audio visual round, buzzer round and mixed bag rounds. Aduna ngasigi pool D gi winner ase kanana oigadabano haibado khangba ngamdri mathangi round asidi punna yengminaduna punna khangminasi. So before that we'll have a short break. We'll be back soon. Welcome back to Impact TV presents Brainwave Quiz Season 2, sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Keitel Tekalimbam Konzin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Hiang Thang, City Higher Secondary School, Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials, Konong Mamang. Second round, Matungda, we have the three teams with us of Pool D. Score Lady Pibam, Team B and C. In Team B, we have the Sacred Heart School Yaripok and C Al Eden School Haibong Makong Sapmanana with 10 points. They are going in the same position. And Team A, KM Blooming Kangabok with 5 points. Third round, audio visual round. Third round, audio visual round. Asida 5 questions legani. It may be audio or visual. Audio natragana visual asi yam munna yengaba natraga taraba matungda aduga related oiba question amakak akoi hangani adugi question adu munna tabiraga 10 seconds manungda answer pigadabni. If your answer is found correct, you'll be awarded 10 points, and if the answer is incorrect, we'll pass on the question to the next team. Yarniko. So are we clear? Okay. So we'll start with audio and visual round. Team C Team C, we have 5 options. Option number can be
3.
3. So we have a very pleasing sound. Instrument namakak play tauri visual asida. The question is, identify the musical instrument. Your
Violin.
now.
Violin.
Violin. Okay, it is incorrect. Team A,
Saxophone.
saxophone is also not the correct answer. So we'll move on to Team B. Team B, identify the musical instrument.
Recorder.
Kitang siyang na haibin?
Recorder.
Recorder. Okay, it is also not the correct answer. The correct answer is clarinet. The instrument was first introduced from Germany. Germany is a instrument. So anyway, we'll go to the next team. Team A. Team A gi options 1, 2, 4, and 5. Please choose your question.
5.
5. Okay, we have an image. This is the logo of a popular company in San Francisco, California, which operate the microblogging and social networking services. What is the name?
Twitter.
Twitter. Okay, that was a very quick answer. Twitter is the correct answer. So the points will be awarded to Team A. The next direct question goes to Team B. Team B option them about 1, 2, and 4. Please choose your question.
4.
4. Audio mo kaglay audio si tharagi amun tabiro, and the question is, identify this famous person.
Academy Award. I still can't believe I'm standing here. It's a dream. Long time ago, every year when I watch Oscar with my dad, sometimes with my mom, my dad always said, son, you get so many movies out.
Okay, that was, I think, enough. So we'll start with the countdown. Identify the famous person. Five seconds. Okay, time is up. Team C the lagsage question is hojiki audio adu da ngang kriba misak adu the famous person karano. Team A.
Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel is not the correct answer. So we'll reveal the answer. The answer is Jackie Chan. So we have more rounds. Round matang da koi compete to yare yam nakna su satli So before we go on to the buzzer round, we have our scores on the screen. Team B amasung C same 10 points ta dum leiri aduga team A has lead with 5 more points, that is total 15 points. Dana mathangi round asida buzzer round yamun instruction isi tabiu masangi round asida di yamna mark score to ya ba dugumba round ma khakni isagi mangda buzzer amamam leigani adada we have 5 questions. 5 questions da aina question amamam choose tawrakani, but I will not be reading out the question. Aina question du di pathoroi aduna screen du da isa screen du da question du hek ubaga karigumba question du gi answer khangba yauragadi khwaidagi hanan buzzer du bu nambi riba team aduda akoi question asi khumbagi chance pigani. And if the question is found correct, you will be rewarded 10 points, and if the answer is found incorrect, you will be rewarded a negative point of -5. And there are no pass on questions in this buzzer round. So alert on lebiro. So are we clear with the instructions? Instruction clear oi bireko. Ahan ba number team duna chance phangani aduga ahan ba team amana namkhraba matungda atopagi buzzer do work tawroi. So the first person will get the chance. First team will get the chance. So let's start with the buzzer round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ni akwai da lebo option say we'll start with question number 2. Five seconds. Okay, team A na buzzer si press to A. The question is, what is the most important constituent of the sun's mass? Please answer.
Helium.
Helium was almost correct, but it is not the correct answer. I'm sorry. The correct answer is hydrogen gas. So team A will have a negative of -5. Now we are left with 4 more questions. Please don't be disheartened. Hai tare koi ki question mari leiri. We have 1, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll go with question number 3. Okay. A. The question is, name the largest democracy of the world.
India.
India is the correct answer. So congratulations, team A. Team B amasung C, so alert on libero. We have 3 more questions left. We'll go next with question number 5. Okay, team C na handokre. The question is, which acid has the chemical formula H2SO4? Please answer.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. Not
Sulfuric acid.
Okay. So hydrochloric acid hydromane, but within the seconds sulfuric acid amuk change tawreko. So team C, you have answered correctly. The answer is sulfuric acid. So we'll award them the points. 1 ga 4 kaktangaire. So let's go with question number 4. Okay, team A na hangre. The question is, in which ocean did the Titanic sink in 1912?
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean is the correct answer. So team A, congratulations. We are left with only 1 question, that is question number 1. Let's check the question. Okay, the time is up, and the team Humak sina question asi gi answer khang drain loser again. The question is, who invented the radio? Haibani. The correct answer is Guglielmo Marconi in 1895. Okay, so that was the buzzer round. Competitive for Inasu Dumak Tobiki, and I think team A has performed very well. Let's check the scoreboard. Team B, that is Sacred Heart School Yaripok, is in the 3rd position with 10 points. Team C, Al Edin School Haibong Makong with 20 points is running in the 2nd position, and team A has lead with 30 points, that is KM Blooming Higher Secondary School of Khangabok. Buzzer round gi matungda, now we are only left with the final round, that is the mixed bag round. Mixed bag round asida lairiba question sing asisu team khudimakta direct question amamang pizagani aduga karigumba team duna chumna khumbiba taragadi you will be awarded 10 points. You will have 4 options for each question. Aduga if the team is not able to answer, we will pass on the question to the next team. Next team to the bonus point in 5 points if the answer is found correct. Aduna bonus su laibanina other teams can pick up the points. Don't be disheartened. Let's get ready for the last round, mixed bag round. We'll start with team A. Team A dagi hojage team A gi lairiba options 1 2 3 4 and 5. Please choose your question. 2 Khanbirai, your question is, which piece in the game of chess can move only in dark or in white squares and not in both squares? The options are A. Rook, B. Queen, C. Bishop, and D. Pawn. Your countdown starts now.
C.
C is correct. So team A, congratulations. I have answered very correctly. Now the next question goes to team B. Team B, option Mari 1, 4, 3 and 5. Please choose. 3. Which part of the donor's eye is utilized in an eye donation? Option A is cornea, B is pupil, C is retina, and D is iris. Your countdown has started.
Cornea.
Cornea is the correct answer. So congratulations again, team B. You have answered correctly. Team C da mugla age. Team C ki direct question ni. Team A amasung B na yam chumna khumbirakre. This is the last question of the season 2 episode 4 of pool D. So please choose your question 1, 4 and 5.
1.
1 can be ready. Let's check the question. Who wrote the book Malgudi Days? Option A is Ruskin Bond, B is Rudyard Kipling, C is R.K. Narayan, and D is Chetan Bhagat.
C.
C is correct answer. So congratulations, team C. So yam chumna khumbirei. Malgudi Days, which is a famous book which was published in 1943. So that was the last question of today's episode. Ngasigi episode asigi aroiba question sing asida round manga da team ahumakna yam chumna khumbirakre. But we have the final score with us. Aduna yengminar se punna ngasigi pool D episode 4 gi winner ase karamba team na oirbano. Have the punni yengminasi. We have team B, Sacred Heart School Yaripok, with 20 points in the 3rd position. Team C, Al Edin School Haibong Makong with 30 points, and team A, congratulations, you are the winner of pool D episode 4, and please get ready for the next big round. Second round gidamakta, all the best. KM Blooming Khangabok team A na 40 points pangduna lead tawraga ngasigi episode asigi winner oire. So that was Impact TV Brainwave Quiz Season 2 Episode 4, sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kay Tilta Kalimang Konzin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Yang Thang, City Higher Secondary School Mayang Imphal, and Nongin Institute of Tutorials Konung Mamang. We'll see you in the next episode in the new pool with a new team for the next round. So thank you for watching Impact TV. This is Tenzing Pukamang.